My name is Umar Muin Malik. I am the head of strategy and payments for EasyPaisa. EasyPaisa पाकिस्तान का सबसे पहला मोबाइल फाइनेंशियल सर्विस थी। इनकी ब्रांचलेस बैंकिंग सबसे पहली ब्रांचलेस बैंकिंग सर्विस जो लॉन्च की थी हमने यहाँ पे 15 अक्टूबर 2009 को। और द आइडिया अगेन वाज वेरी सिंपल कि पाकिस्तान में डिस्पाइट हैविंग over 100 million adults, there are only about 15 million bank accounts in the country, and we saw that this is a very low number. The majority of the people do not have bank accounts. They don't have formal access to financial services, and what they do is they resort to informal services. Lending करनी है तो बाहर मार्केट के कॉर्नर ग्रोसरी शॉप से वहाँ से कोई लोन ले रही हैं, फैमिली वगैरह से लोन्स ले रही हैं, इनफॉर्मल लेंडिंग हो रही है, लोन शार्क्स काफ़ी हैं, सेविंग्स हो रही हैं तो जी घर पे तकिए के नीचे रखे हुए हैं या और चीज़ों में इन्वेस्ट कर रही हैं। वहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स the value of the funds are being impacted also by inflation and other things. सिक्योरिटी के अपने इश्यूज हैं, पैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजने हैं तो अजाब है, very risky, high transaction costs, takes 3-4 days for the money to reach the other place. So these were the things that we kept in mind when we were launching EasyPaisa. And the idea was to empower the people in this country, the masses in this country, with really simple, accessible financial services. हमने कहा कि यार 15 मिलियन बैंक अकाउंट यूजर्स हैं, बाकी सारे कुछ ना कुछ तो पैसों के साथ करते होंगे, और ये जो मोबाइल फ़ोन है इसकी पेनिट्रेशन अभी इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई थी कि more than PT is reporting more than 120 million SIMs in the market. So we said all these people are carrying mobile phones, why can't we just serve them with banking services or financial services on their mobile phones? So that was the premise to launching EasyPaisa. We've become a category name. We've become the Xerox of the mobile financial industry. Even when a customer wants to go and send money from point A to point B, वो कहता है मैंने EasyPaisa करना है. It doesn't matter what service he's using at the back. So I think that's the biggest impact, and the advantage that we have is that everybody refers to EasyPaisa as EasyPaisa. What are the other differences? The rest of the mobile money services which I've launched are much smaller in size, of course, in reach. So they don't have the same number of agents that we do. They have very limited services than ours. So we have a very complete portfolio of services, like सिर्फ मनी ट्रांसफ़र और बिल पेमेंट्स नहीं है, अपना वॉलेट सर्विसेज हैं, इसके ऊपर हमारे पास इंश्योरेंस, सेविंग्स, लेंडिंग्स, पेमेंट्स, there's a whole host of services and an ecosystem we've built around this. The rest of the mobile money services are basically just doing money transfer and bill payments, really basic services जो हमने बहुत पहले लॉन्च की थी. This is a very important question, and this is a question that हमारा तबका बहुत पूछता है. You know why? Because we have bank accounts. But like I said, there are only 15 million people in this country who have bank accounts. So the rest of the people, you go down, you ask a security guard कि यार बैंक से भेजोगे EasyPaisa, या टैक्सी वाले से पूछो बैंक से भेजोगे EasyPaisa से, या किसी और से आप पूछो, वो बोलेगा यार मेरे पास तो बैंक अकाउंट है ही नहीं. बैंक अकाउंट खुलवाना इस मुल्क के अंदर काफ़ी एक अजाब काम है. You have to go through a lot of paperwork. There are minimum deposit requirements. You have to get a referral or whatever. I mean, it takes it's a long-winded process to open a bank account. For EasyPaisa क्या है? You take your शनाख्ती card, you go down to the EasyPaisa shop, say मैंने ये पैसे भिजवाना है, 2 मिनट में भेज दूँ. Getting a bank account opened, putting money into a bank account, then getting a transfer done is not easy, if that is the perception. So this is our main advantage. We transfer money within a second from point A to point B in the country. This is the biggest advantage that we have. You have to understand the reason why the charges exist also. The reason why the charges exist are because the dukandar needs to get a commission for everything that he is doing. Yeah, and that is why these charges are there. But if you don't want to do it from the dukan, if you do on internet banking तो आप खुद करते हो, तो आप अपने फ़ोन पे EasyPaisa का मोबाइल अकाउंट खुलवा ले. This is a free P2P. You can send money from point to point, again free, and the amounts are bigger on this than at a दुकान. दुकान पे आप सिर्फ 15,000 भेज सकते हो पर शनाख्ती कार्ड per month. Yeah. On this, you can send up to 50,000 rupees per transaction. Pakistani e-commerce is at the verge of exploding right now. This is going to be growing very very fast. अभी आपने कुछ e-commerce players के नाम सुने नहीं होंगे. You've heard about Daraz perhaps, you've heard about Home Shopping perhaps, Cheese Mall का सुन लिया होगा आपने. But these are just few of the e-commerce players जो अभी आपको यहाँ पे visible हो. In the coming months, years, you'll hear about so many more players because everybody's going to be stepping into this market. Reasons ये हैं कि internet penetration जो है वो फैल रही है. So more and more people are picking up 3G phones, smartphones, accessing internet, data. More people are using internet on their laptops and PCs as well. So पाकिस्तान में internet penetration बढ़ रही है. Facilitated by a lot of things. 3G भी आया है, data access जो है वो मुल्क भर में अब सस्ता भी हो गया है. It's very easy to get a smartphone, get a data package and start browsing. Apps बहुत pervasive हो गए हैं, so you'll find apps everywhere. So internet बढ़ रहा. अब internet जब बढ़ता है और access to internet बढ़ता है तो लोगों के पास access to different things भी बढ़ती हैं. Internet के ऊपर फ़ायदा ये है कि एक तो आपको variety मिलती है. आप किसी एक फिजिकल लोकेशन पे जाओगे आपको इतनी वैरायटी नहीं मिलेगी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज की. इंटरनेट पे आपको वैरायटी मिल जाएगी, आपको रेंज मिल जाएगी, आपको प्राइस कंपैरिजंस मिल जाएंगी. So we as a payment facilitator we see a very key role to play in this industry, in the e-commerce industry, because Pakistan, as you know, we don't have any payment facilitators as such. We have 4 banks which offer credit card acquiring, but then credit cards are very, इतने छोटे amount and less than 1 million credit cards in this country. So we have a payment solution which is full-fledged. Of course we do credit card acquiring also, but then we allow people to pay directly from their mobile wallets. More than 10 million registered customers can pay through their mobile wallets. And then the beauty that we have is, if you don't have a mobile wallet, if you don't have a credit card, आप एक token generate कर लो and go down to your nearest Easy Paisa shop and you pay that token over there. Easy Paisa is a licensed entity by the State Bank of Pakistan, and we have we have a bank-led model, and we have a license from the State Bank. The State Bank has access to each and every transaction that happens on Easy Paisa. Every transaction has a unique transaction ID, जो आपको SMS में भी आती है, हमारे systems में भी आती है. Everything can be tracked. Who did this? Who did what? This is actually the most secure payment solution today, because everything you authorize with a PIN. आपके on your behalf कोई इस्तेमाल तो नहीं कर सकता. आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड आज गुम जाए तो सफाया हो सकता है आपका. आपका डेबिट कार्ड गुम जाए तो आपके बैंक अकाउंट का सफाया हो सकता है. आपका फ़ोन गुम जाए या आपको कुछ भी हो जाए, आपको कुछ भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज लॉक्ड विद द पिन. इट्स जस्ट लाइक एन ATM कार्ड, राइट? ATM कार्ड गुम जाए, जब तक किसी को पिन नहीं पता वो आपको कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Similarly, here's your mobile wallet that you open on your phone. मेरा फ़ोन चोरी भी हो जाए, all I have to do is go down and get my SIM opened. My account is up and running. So my money is always safe in my account. And every transaction I do, I authorize with my PIN. And every transaction is stored on the system with a unique transaction ID. And the State Bank has full access, including the FBR and other regulatory authorities. They have full access to come in and look at, and they do. They come in and sometimes they say, yeah, ये transaction देखनी है, we pull them out for you. That's not an issue at all. I think we have very successfully established ourselves in the basic transactional products जो हैं, which are like the money transfers and the bill payment products. And the plans are to, of course, increase the number of mobile wallets and have more and more services available on the mobile wallet. So जितनी आपकी यहाँ पे functionality होगी, जितना use cases आपके wallet पे available होंगे, उतने ज़्यादा लोग wallet use करेंगे. अगर मुझे सिर्फ बिल पेमेंट इस पे अवेलेबल है और बिल पेमेंट दुकान पे भी अवेलेबल है, तो I'll just go and pay it at the shop. So we want this account to be the full-fledged banking account. जिसके ऊपर you can do 50 million things, right? You should be able to pay your Shnakti card payments and your passport fee payments, your traffic challan payments. You should be able to pay for your e-commerce shopping, or even dukaan pay. So you go to like a coffee shop and want to buy coffee from there, you should be able to pay it via your mobile phone, which we've introduced our NFC payments in the market. So the use case of this mobile wallet has to really become big. But then payments is one area. For example, insurance के ऊपर we want our customers to have different insurance available to them. Lending options के ऊपर customers should have different lending options available to them, different saving options available to them. So that our ambition is to convert all of Pakistan onto mobile wallets.